your name and your position for editorial purposes.
Okay. My name is Satara Murray, and I am a defender.
All right, Satara, I've watched you, last week or so, training hard. You've been around for weeks now, and you weren't sure if you were going to play. Mm-hmm. Only today you were basically, for want of a better term, released by FIFA. Tell us how you feel.
I feel relieved. That's what I feel. I just feel a weight has been lifted off my shoulder. I'm excited to be out with the girls tonight and get the job done. You know, that's why I came here. That was the point of this camp, is to qualify for a World Cup, and that's exactly what I want to do. I want to help be a part of that. You know, the first game against Mexico was brilliant. I was so proud of us and how we did. The U.S., obviously, we knew that was going to be a difficult game, and it was a challenge, but I think we accepted it. Now it's down to Haiti, you know, and they've done pretty well in the tournament themselves as well, too. So in the history that we have with them, it's a rich one nonetheless. So to answer your question, I'm relieved, I'm happy, and I feel blessed to be involved with the game today. And I'm thankful, I'm excited to see what we can do.
What position do you specialize in, and what can we expect later on?
I'm a center back. I can play both as a fullback, as a right fullback, and as a center back as well too. But I prefer center back. I think the qualities that I bring comes out better as a center back. So I would say that's what I specialize in more.
And what can we expect from tonight's game?
Leadership. I'm hoping that, you know, me leading by example, leading vocally, can help us get a massive win tonight. And my presence, my physical presence, I'm hoping can help, you know, because Haiti themselves is a physical team, and that's one of my biggest attributes. I'm physical, I'm strong, I'm athletic, I'm quick. I'm very good 1v1 and aerially, so I'm hoping that those qualities I can bring in and we can get a win tonight and qualify for the World Cup.
Thank you.